In today's video, we're gonna replace the front bulb in Peugeot 307cc. I'll show you how to do it.
Give it to me like.
Yeah, we're gonna replace two sides today because it always should be replaced from both sides. Same as the passenger, like the driver side. So both are located on top in front of the so it's over here. Quite easy to get into it. Okay. Pretty easy. Just put to the side and release the clip. There you go. It's your bulb. This one was fine, but obviously it will last long. It is shorter if we replace only one. So it's time to go for more. We can leave the cover there just for a second. Let's see. Electric stick out. Just press it into the side, outwards from the engine to the outside, and we have our bulb. Woo! Not working, no good. Yep, definitely broken. Okay, we're gonna use Philips H7, which they're supposed to give you 60% more vision. We'll find out this evening. So when you're taking out this bulb out of the box, remember, do not touch the glass, otherwise it will last not that long as you want to. Okay, so let's put it back. There's only one way you can fit that bulb in there. So when the bulb is on its place, we just need to put the clip, put it the reverse way, and clip the pin. Bulb there, little clip. It's been clipped. And this one coming back. and job done. I would like to also invite you to visit my online shop. Here is what you can buy from this website. As you can see, there's a lot of plenty different stuff for kids, for adults, for women, for men's. The link is in the description below.